These are my sticky Korean chicken wings, perfect for the summer and to have with a cold beer. Hi, I'm Philly and I'm making sticky Korean chicken wings. I've got some beautiful chicken wings and all I'm going to do is marinate them with a little bit of salt. So a pinch of salt, make sure you grab it with 3 fingers, and then sesame oil. We're going to leave that to marinate for about 20 minutes. That's going to allow the chicken to be beautifully tender and moist. My chicken's been marinating and I've got my Gozney dome heated up and we're now ready to cook. The cast iron pan has been heating up and I'll add the chicken wings to the pan. You can hear that sizzle. That's when you know it's hot. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. And they're going to go in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to turn them every so often and then make the sticky Korean glaze. This is one of my favorite recipes of all time. I'm going to add all the ingredients directly to the saucepan and we're just going to warm it up and emulsify everything. Extremely simple. It's only 4 ingredients. I've got butter, which has been room temperature softened, just simple butter. You can use salted or unsalted, but just make sure to taste it and adjust your seasonings. And I've got ketchup, so just simple, basic tomato ketchup. Runny honey, that goes straight in. And then the most important ingredient is gochujang. Now, gochujang is a Korean red pepper paste. It's really umami, intense, it's not too spicy, and it's absolutely delicious. You can get it in a lot of supermarkets nowadays, so I really urge you to look out for it and buy a pot. And it's a 1-to-1 ratio of everything, so it's butter, ketchup, honey, and gochujang. Now this is gonna go on the hob just to warm through and emulsify. All you need to do is allow the butter to melt through and let the sauce get super glossy and rich. The chicken wings have been in the dome for about 10 minutes and I've just been turning them every 5 or so minutes to make sure that they're beautiful and golden. Look at them. Crispy, golden deliciousness. I'm just gonna add them to a serving dish. They've been in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can see all the fat is rendered down and they're beautiful and crispy. And I'm gonna glaze them with our sticky Korean sauce. It's beautiful, emulsified, glossy, sticky, delicious. I'm just gonna drizzle it all over the chicken wings and fully coat them. I'm just gonna plate up these chicken wings. I mean, look how sticky and gorgeous they look. Yum. Finish them off with a little sprinkle of sesame seeds. These are my sticky Korean chicken wings that are perfect to share over the summer. For the full recipe, head to gozney.com. You might need some wet wipes. Yeah, it's pretty delicious.